Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing a new launch by Emaar in the Valley. We are talking about a large cluster that is to be launched where you will be getting 3 and 4 bedroom spacious townhouses. Even though like in terms of layouts and designs, Emaar has improved a lot. We are talking about a semi-government developer, like they have delivered multiple communities including downtown, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Hills, or even Marina as well, you name it. Like Emaar is one of the biggest developers in Dubai, and even though if we compare with any of the global market, we can say Emaar is working with one of the best regarded brands as well. If we talk about their financials, in financial year 2024, they have already performed pretty much well with a market cap of over 114 billion dirhams, which is a huge number, with a net profit of around 17.5 billion dirhams. In terms of their delivery, they have already delivered over 118,000 residential units, and they are right now working on 50,000 more units that are yet to be handed over in the market. Specifically talking about the Valley, which was launched in year 2019, but now it has become one of the most desirable communities in the city just because of the huge success. Like they have already set up the benchmark with success over 13 billion dirhams in primary sales right now. If we talk about the market shares, it is around 10% for the Valley. And if we see the master plan of the community, basically it is divided into two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. And total size for this community is going to be around 4.5 million square meters, with phase 1 including 2.15 square meters and phase 2 it to be 2.06 square meters. Other than this, you are getting a lot of amenities, like a lot of amenities. We are talking about a central park of over 250,000 square meters with a sports village of 25,000 square meters. You are having a kids jail of 13,000 square meters, and you have a golden beach right in the middle of the community with a size of over 47,000 square meters. So you can say Valley is pretty much loaded with amenities. You are getting townhouses, you are getting villas, but for now we are talking about a large cluster, large plot where you will be getting 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses with much spacious sizes, and the prices are going to be starting from just 3 million dirhams. In this video, we are going to be discussing the exact layout for 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, and also we will be discussing master plan of whole community, like what amenities you are getting and where will be your exact townhouse if we talk about 3 or even 4 bedroom townhouses. Firstly, I'll also show you on the screen as well. If we talk about the location, you are pretty much near to downtown. We are talking about a 20 to 25 minutes of a drive. Even if we talk about Dubai International Airport, which is around 20 minutes of a drive, we are talking about Dubai Alan Road, which is a 6-lane highway which has been recently upgraded as well, and it is like pretty much easy for you to travel in onto this road. We are talking about just a 20 minutes of a drive to Dubai International Airport. Even though the airport is going to shift to next, which is to be Al Maktoum International Airport, and this road which comes through the heights, which we call it Lehbab Street, it is also going to be upgraded. It is already in RTA plans as well, and we are talking about a distance of 30 minutes of a drive to the new airport, Al Maktoum International Airport, which is going to be operational by 2029 or even 2030. Even if we talk about all of the communities of Emaar, even the Grand Polo or Arabian Rancher, even we talk about the Oasis or Arabian Rancher 3 as well, all of these communities are around about 25 to 20 minutes of a drive from downtown. Just because we are considering downtown as a reference point all the time, so you are just 25 to 30 minutes from all of the major communities of Emaar. Talking about the master plan of the community, we will be discussing this large cluster named as Vendera, where you are getting 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. The location is like at the bottom left of the community, like you have an easy access to the center park in the middle, you have an easy access to the beach as well. Like from all of the amenities, you are pretty much near to the community center as well. And this is the last cluster, last plot we are talking right now. And even we have the plot numbers right now. You can pretty much see clearly, like 3 bedrooms are going to be the middle units and the corner units are going to be the 4 bedroom townhouses. For now, we have the plot numbers as well, we have the exact layouts. I will also be attaching you the PDF file. Even if you want a clear in detail file, just send me a WhatsApp. I have attached my WhatsApp number as well. Just send me a hi. I'll share you the floor plans as well. Talking about the floor plans, we are coming with 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses with a size for a 4 bedroom sizes are going to be starting from 2923 square feet. Basically, this comes in 2 style. We are talking about 4plex style 1 with a like total area is going to be around 2900 square feet, with a suite area of around 2400 square feet. Just for a comparison, DAMAC has recently launched 4 bedroom townhouses with a size of around 2300 square feet. Even in DAMAC Hills 2, sizes were pretty much like I can say 2300 square feet or with a plot size of around 1250 square feet. So just for a comparison, Valley is coming up with much spacious layouts right now. Right now you can see we are discussing this 4 bedroom townhouse. Specifically, this is a corner unit and this is townhouse 01 number. And in this layout you can also see these all of the units will have the same layout as we have right here. Like you are getting a garage for 2 parkings, and you are having a maid's room. Then there is your guest washroom. Here's a laundry room, and you get the stairs. Then we have the dining and living area, which is pretty much spacious. You have a semi-open kitchen, and at the back you have a terrace. And basically, a terrace size is around about 135 square feet. Next up, we have 3-bedroom fourplex. We are talking about a style 1, which is around 2400 square feet. For a 3-bedroom townhouse with a size of 2400 square feet, I do think so it is a pretty much decent size. So this is going to be the second unit, townhouse 02 we are talking about, and you can see all of those townhouses will have the same layout in the community. You can send me just a message, I'll share you the floor plans as well. And here is your entrance. You get 2 parkings in the garage. Then you have a maid's room right at the entrance, and there is your living area, your dining area, and you have an open kitchen at the left side. Other than this, at the back you have a backyard and a terrace. Even if we talk about a suite area, which is going to be around 1800 square feet, you get the balcony or a terrace area of around 49 square feet, which is a decent size. I do think so. Other than this, if we compare with the prices, it is starting from 3.1 million dirham for 3-bedroom townhouse. Even though this is not going to be the same, this is just the starting price. So these are the layouts one by one. I won't be able to discuss every of the layouts, or even you can pause the video and get a detailed layout as well, or even you can send me a WhatsApp. I'll sharing you the exact details as well. Other than this, if we talk about the amenities, like you get the center park right in the middle. And even though in terms of amenities, you are getting 33 amenities, even though I cannot name each one of them, I'll just mention it right away. You get the fitness play area, you get the yoga area, you are also getting a fountain and a lockout point, you are getting riverside palm or even the dog park as well, and you are getting nature theme play area. Even though you name it, every amenity is right there, and most of them are operational. Like if we talk about Valley phase 1, most of the amenities are operational, and I will also doing a site visit as well. Talking about the appreciation in the Valley, I have also attached the graph as well. It was launched in 2020 with price was around 630 dirham per square feet. Right now it is trading at 1400 dirham per square feet, which is a huge success for the investors who have put their trust in on Emaar in 2020. And right now the prices have prices have increased by more than double in just 5 years. So in terms of appreciation, Valley was pretty much good investment for the investors, and we are seeing increase in the townhouses just because of the demand, of the high demand. Most of the people prefer to get a townhouse rather than a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom apartment, just because you are getting a private space, you are getting a private parking, and you are getting a private land as well. For now, in Valley phase 2, we are getting in total 578 units. 3 bedrooms are going to be 352 units in total, with a minimum plot size is starting from 1600 square feet, and built up area is going to be around 2396 square feet, and starting price is going to be 3.07 million dirhams. For 4 bedrooms, total number of units are going to be 226. Minimum plot size is going to be 2588 square feet, and with a built up area of around 2907 square feet. Starting price for 4-bedroom townhouses is going to be 4.14 million dirhams. We are talking about a starting price, we are talking about a starting area. Even though the prices are not going to be the same, even though the prices are not going to be, the layouts are going to be different, you are getting a different view. So these are just the starting prices. I do think so the average price for 3-bedroom townhouse is going to be starting from 3.2 to 3.3 million dirhams. Now if we talk about the payment plan, we are getting a standard payment plan of 80-20 by Emaar. Mostly we are paying 10% as a down payment, and then 10% you have to pay in November 2025. Your second installment of 10% you will be paying by May 2026, and third installment in November 2026. Each of the installment is going to be of 10%. By September 2028, you might have paid around 80% in total, and then remaining 20% you are going to be paying at the time of handover, which is to be December 2029. So for now, I do think so this is a pretty much good investment in terms of appreciation as well. And we have always seen like a product like Emaar or even Damag, developer like Emaar or even Nakheel, Miras, any of the government developer launches a new project, it gets sold out in a day. Just because of the high demand, we have seen the appreciation in the Valley. Like it was launched at 630 dirham per square feet. Now it is selling out more than 1400 dirham per square feet. And townhouses and villas are in demand right now as compared to the apartments as well. That's it for the video. If you need to ask anything, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.